পুরো করে কে পুরো করেছো আর ইউ এগ্রি উইথ মি কেমন যা এগ্রি উইথ মি এর কথা শুনে বলা এগ্রি মানে তিনটা বার উইথ পারসন এগ্রি উইথ পারসন ওকে এগ্রি উইথ পারসন এগ্রি টু ম্যাটার এগ্রি টু ম্যাটার agree on point agree on point three things agree with person agree to matter agree on point as you can say he did not agree with me. This is, it did not agree with me. All my friends agreed with me. You can say all. All my friends agreed with me. Here also with me, here also with me. Me is person, me is what? Person? No. We all agree on this point. You can also say, we all agree on this point. This point. We all are agree with this point. Means with point we use on. Sometimes you propose, or you can say, Babita, what you can say? Babita is agreed to my proposal, to my proposal. You give proposal to Babita, Babita becomes agreed. Agree means? Distance, if you find agree means three things. Agree with person, agree to matter, agree on point. All my friends agreed with me, means me person here. We all agree on this point here. This is point, with point you use on, and here he did not agree with me. Again person means so with here. Babita is agreed to my proposal. Proposal is matter. Proposal is what? Matter. So you use two here. Means agree three things. Two with
on.
two with
On.
okay, no problem. Say you say in the corner of the room. What you say? Corner of the room. See, in the corner of the room, like this corner here. Suppose it is room. It is room, and here is television. Here is what? Television. We can say television is in the corner of the room. In the corner of the room. Suppose here it is a street. This is what? A street, and here it is a shop.
At
You
the
can say
corner of, on the corner of,
at or on
on,
the
corner
corner of the street. Of the street. Understood? In the corner of boundary, on the room. Yes, in the corner of the room, but at the corner or on the corner of the street. Easy to understand? Next. Can also say at the end of the street. What we can say? At the end of the street. Street means road where it ends. You can use at the end of the street. In the same you can say at the top. At the top. At the bottom. At the bottom of the page. No.
on page,
Yes. At the top of the page. What is it? On page you say. What is it? On page. On television. On television. On radio. On laptop. On computer. On but in the photograph. In the photograph. Yes, in the photograph. On bicycle or in bicycle? On bicycle or in bicycle? What is the correct answer?
On bicycle.
On bicycle. In bus or on bus?
On bus.
In bus or on bus?
On bus.
In the bus. By bus. If only bus, then by bus. If the, then in the bus. In the car. No. By truck. By railway. I told you. Just for confirmation I have asked you. On a bus. In a car. No. On a train. On a plane. On a ship. But in a car, in a taxi is correct. No.
Private.
Yes, on a bicycle, on a motorcycle, on a horse, on a donkey, you can say by car, by train, by plane, by foot you say,
Yes, sir.
by boat you say, by ship, by bus, by bicycle, no? That is. Okay, in the front you understand, at the front, in front of
Yes,
and
sir.
behind? No. These things, beside we have already discussed. Give up we discussed.
Give up. Yes, sir.
Give up? No. UP of, OF of. Difference is OF of. Discuss.
Yes, sir. You give.
On to into discussed. On to into.
On to end.
On to into. Not discussed. Okay. If not discussed, then we discuss now. I think you have discussed. Radha Goa.